Hello and welcome to this week's Year 2 Maths Mash. And in Maths this week, in Year 2, we have been working on our addition and subtraction strategies. And one of the strategies that we have used is using a number line to add and take away. So if we take, for example, 12 add 7, we would use a number line like this. We would find the number 12 on the number line, we would circle it, and then we would count on 7 in jumps of 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And so we can see that the answer to 12 add 7 is 19. We've also been using the number line to subtract. And so to find the answer to 16, take away 8, we would circle the number 16 and then we would count back 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we have landed on the number 8. Now, some children might be able to use their number bonds to help with this, and they might know that taking away 8, we could split the 8 into a group of 6 and a group of 2. And so in that way, we would bridge through 10. So the answer to 16, take away 8, equals 8. Now, we have also been using other strategies to add and subtract two-digit numbers, that is, numbers with 10s and 1s. So we could, for example, do 24 add 13. And one of the ways that we would do this is by using our 100 square. So to find the answer to 24 add 13, the first thing we would do is to find 24 on the 100 square and circle it. And then we would add on 13 by adding on our 1s and adding on our 10s. So 13 has got 3 1s, so we would add on 1, 2, 3, which takes us to 27, and then we would add on 10. And we would add on 10 not by doing 10 jumps of 1, but by jumping down 1 jump of 10, and that would land on 37. So 24 add 13 is 37. We could also use the 100 square to subtract. So let's try and change this to 24 take away 13. And we would solve this in a similar way. Let's start by finding 24 on our 100 square. Let's count back 3, count back in 1s, 1, 2, 3, and we have landed on 21. And now we're going to count back in 10s, and we have got 1 10, so we'll count back, jumping up 1 jump of 10, landing on 11. So 24 take away 13 is 11. Now, another strategy that we have been using is to use our Dean's cubes. So we've been practicing addition so far using our Dean's cubes. So let's use the Dean's cubes to find the answer to 24 add 23. So the first thing we would do is make 24 using our Dean's cubes, which is 2 10s and 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, and then we would make 23, which is again 2 10s, 1, 2, and this time we need 3 1s, 1, 2, 3. And then we would add together the 1s, so let's put all the 1s together, and that makes 7, and add together the 10s. So let's put them up there, and we've got 4 10s, which is 40. So we can see the answer to 24 add 23 is 47. And this then leads us on to our column method. So if we go back to our 24 and our 23, to show this using the column method, we would put 24 there. We would add it to the 23, and then copying the same approach that we've done with our cubes, we're going to add together the 1s, and that makes 7. 4 and 3 is 7. Add together the 10s, 2 10s, and 2 10s is 4 10s, which is 40. 2 10s add 2 10s is 4 10s, and we can see that our answer is 47.
So if you would like to help your child a little more at home, then we have some questions for you here.
So first of all, most children should be able to attempt these questions using the 100 square to solve by adding on the ones and adding on the tens. And at the end of this video, a 100 square will appear on the screen. Some children might like to try adding and taking away numbers up to 20 by using a number line if you have one, or you could draw a number line on a piece of paper with numbers up to 20. Some children might like to attempt using the column method to add these 2-digit numbers as we demonstrated in the video. So that's it for this week's Maths Mash. We hope to see you again next week.